Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy, and today I'll show you how to use curl in the Mac or Linux. It could be same in every way, and I was already made a video to how to install curl, and you can also follow that video, and also I can show you that very simple that with the brew we can install. So like brew install curl, so it will work. I was already installed it, so it won't take much time for me. And once you installed it, so you have to do only with the curl general syntax will be like it is installing now. Okay, I'm gonna clear out this one. So the syntax of the curl like cul curl, and the options will be there, and will give downloading or you only headers and all, and the URL that you have to pass. So, and this is the general syntax. You can also take help of manual help, man curl. So it will give all so it will give the how to use curl on all the things. So now let's start with a small examples. So first I'm going to be print any website or anything, right? You can use curl, and I'm going to be crawlfields.com. so it will print the source code of that site, right? So it is not coming more permanently. So or you can, it's a secured site, right? You cannot download, or you can use, for example, opens snippets.com. It's not there domain. So call open snippets.com, it is also not working. And let's see, we'll check any other, we can normally some example.com. Yeah, let's see, it got right, it got downloaded, it was showed all the source code of it, right? And see, like I want to store this file in a they want to show this is the output in a file. So now I want to use an option called -o, and so like URL -o, and I want to use the file name as some abc.txt or this HTML, right? HTML, and example.com. Yes, I don't know where it was a file now. I need to look at where it is. So but it is downloaded, right? So if you list out it, you can see the abc.html is there, abc.html file, right? This is the file, it is downloaded. And also I passed an file name, right? You don't need to even pass the file name, you just give capital O. Let's see now what will happen. Example.com, and with the original file name it has to be stored, right? Capital O curl O, no, capital O. Okay, I'll take help of manual. Okay, now let's go to where it is there. O, there's so many things were there. And W, yeah, O. So write output to a local file named like a remote file. So name like a remote file. So with a small O we have to pass a file name, and with a big capital O it will take as a remote name. So let's see, we'll do so we'll copy, we'll do any other domain we'll take. For example, like I'll take this one, docker install. Let's see if it works. It's great. Call -o, yeah. Now let's see, now you have a install. Let's see which how it is stored. It is stored in a install. It is stored in a source code is in the install. So vim I was installed it, yeah. okay, I have not installed setup Vim yet, so like I can just open Vim and install. So yeah, the source code is got opened, right? Yeah. So this is how you can download the page without a file name, and we can see you can also download multiple files, right? You can also download multiple files. For example, this is there, you can give slash, and you can also enter one more file and you can download that too. So that's how you have to do. And also a couple of options are there, and if you want to print only headers of the URL, so you can do like curl -i and example.com. These are the headers of that file, right? And also you can pass HTTPS and all, you can pass as options. And yeah, other than that, so there is and also -s were there. It's going to be silent mode, like you don't show any progress and all. It will give us the silent mode. And yeah, other than that, so for example, if you see like if you use capital L, right, capital L, for example, see what will happen. If1 capital L, so crawlfields.com, see now it will redirect, right? So it will redirect to reach the final destination. That you mean first when I was typed curl and crawlfields.com, so it is not a redirector yet, it has to be redirect to original domain. So but if we pass in -l, so it will, so what it will do, it will directly redirect first, then it will show, it will take the all the source page. And also you can also change user agent, right? If you want to change your user agent, like you can find, if you want to find your user agent, you can type my user agent, and but I want to change user agent right now. So user agents list, I'm just typing, I'll take any sample user agent. Which one is the best one? Like you can say Google user agents or list of user agents. Okay. For the Chrome, I'm going to take it, and I'm going to copying this user agent. Okay. Now, so let's see what will happen. So now I have to go to my command terminal, and so I'm going to clear out this one. So now you can just type curl, and you should need to paste your copied copied wala user agent. So I just copied it, and this is the not my user agent. So but I have to use an option called -a. So -a is it's option for if you want to change user agent, so you have to use -a. So -a, this is wrong, then I need to pass now crawlfields.com. so what it will do, it will so even I have to use like curl -a and -gel. I'm gonna copy this entire thing. Okay, so I think I missed it. So we'll use simple site instead of crawl fields, like I'll use example.com. Okay, so now it is user agent is not gonna be my PC's user agent, it's gonna be a different one, right? I used it. So this is how you can do, and let's see, we'll try like -a and l and crawlfields.com. So it is not redirecting. I think so, maybe order is going to be different, I think. So we'll try again. -L and -LA. Yeah, so the order was I mentioned was different. So now let's see. Now we got right. So now it is the source code is source code that we send a get request with a different user agent. And that's it for today. Next video we'll gonna discuss about a post request and different kind of request that we can made with a curl. Thank you guys and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to make easy. Thank you.